Hello viewers and students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I am going to discuss about right form of verbs, lecture 1 for JSC, SSC and HSC. Dear students, action verb go, come, take after preposition. That means after preposition, if there is any main verb, we have to use ing with main verb. I went to market dash buy a book. This one is a main verb. If I use any preposition here for, I must have to use ing. ing. I went to market for buying a book. I went to market for playing. I went to playground for playing with my friends. Like that, without reading, we cannot learn. Like that, by studying hard, we can make a good result. Dear viewers and students, clearly remember, if there is any preposition in, at, for, with, without, and after that, if there is any main verb, you must have to use ing after preposition, if there is any main verb. Number 2, when any verb becomes subject, how can it be possible? Verb is going to be a subject? Right. Writing more and more. Writing more and more is a good habit. Write is a verb. Used ing has become subject. Writing more and more is a good habit. বেশি বেশি লেখা একটি ভালো অভ্যাস. Swimming is a good exercise. Walking is a good exercise. Like that, if we want to make subject to any verb, then we have to use ing and it can be a subject. Single subject does two words in simple sentence. In simple sentence, two verbs, subject one, verbs two. Two words, one subject. Taking food. I went to feed. Subject is one. One, I has done two words. One, here I have taken food. Again, I want to feed. This one is a main verb and this one is a main verb. This work is done at first. And this work is done later. First verb I have used, with first verb I have used ing and I made principal clause. I want to feed. Like that. Taking rest, I shall go to college. Going to college, I shall sit in the first bench. Helping your parents, you can get their love. Loving your parents, you can get their love. Loving Allah, we can get His love. Like that, lots of sentences can be created using ing. Cannot help with a view to, get used to, look forward to, would you mind? Just I want to use this one. Would you mind? Would you mind giving me your pen? Would you mind giving me your pen? Would you mind giving me your pen? Cannot help with the view to, get used to, look forward to, would you mind? After all of these statements, all of these parts of the sentence, we must have to use ing. Would you mind? To a point, after two, look for, I look forward to getting your help. I look forward to getting your help. Get used to. I got used to walking regularly with a view to. I went to market with a view to buying a dictionary. I cannot help going there. I cannot help going there. This one is, I was bound to go there. This one is purposable. I went there with a purpose. I went there with a view to see my ailing grandfather. My grandfather is ill. For this purpose, I want to see my ailing grandfather. Get used to, look forward to, would you mind, would you mind. This one is used repeatedly by the foreign people. It is a sign of politeness and generosity. Number 5, every person, everything. Every mother, everyone, everybody, every man. Any person, any mother, any father, any man, anyone, anything. No father, no man, no person, nothing, no one. It is here always singular. Always singular. And always singular. Everybody wants happiness. Happiness is a thing which is wanted by everybody. Everybody wants, everybody is singular, present form, yes. Everybody. They are always using like that. After them, you must have to use S or ES with the verbs if it is present form. If it is present form. Like that, every mother, every man, everything, no person, no one, etc. All are used in like this way. If they are used and if there is a present form of the verb, you must have to use S or ES. Action verb after modal verb. This one is a modal verb, this one is a modal verb. This one is a past present indefinite tense, this one is a past indefinite tense. After can, we have used V1, present form. After could, we have used V1, present form. That means, after all the modal verbs, the main verbs would be always present form. Can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, need, dare. It is here modal verbs. After all the modal verbs, if there is any main verb, you must use present form. Like that. I could go. I could go. This one is modal verb. This one is past indefinite tense. And I have kept main verb in present form. Have, has, had, having, be, being, been. After them, the main verb is always past participle. I have done the work. I have done. He has done the work. We had played a friendly cricket match. Having taken breakfast, I went to field. Having taken, B3. The work can be done. The work can be done. Been. The work was being done by the students. The paddy was being cut by the students. Cut. Three of the forms are same. Have, has, had, got. 1, 2, 3, 4. These four, when it is using in the sentence as positive verb. Positive verb. Had, suppose it is my dress. Someone has washed my dress. Coming home, I saw, I got my dress washed. I got my dress washed. When they are used as positive verb, the main verb would be past participle. As for example, positive verb, someone will do my work. Someone will help me to do my work. Washing my dress is my duty. But if anyone helps me to wash my dress, in that case, we can use positive verb. I got my dress washed. That means first participle form of the main verb. I got my dress washed by my maid servant, by her, by my mother. I have got my food cooked by my mother. Like that, if there is positive verb after them, we are using B3. Daily, usually, normally, every day, often, generally, always. If they are used in any sentence, we must have to make it a present indefinite sentence, present indefinite tense. Daily, mother reads the Quran. Mother is reading the Quran daily. How can it be past? It cannot be past. Usually, I usually walk every morning. Normally I take tea after my Aswad prayer. Every day. We play every day I play with my friends. Often, generally, always. I always speak the truth. Like that, lots of sentences can be created following present indefinite tense. Okay. Had better, had rather, would better, would rather. This, after this, had better. You had better go. Had better, had rather, would better, would rather. After all of them, the main verb or action verb would be present form. You had better go. It is better to go. You had better go. Had rather. He had rather do it. You would better follow your parents. Like that. Making question with WH words. Making question with WH words. What do you like? Dear viewers and friends and students, what do you like? This one is not a question. It is a statement. It is an assertive sentence. If I use do, then it would be do then you will be an interrogative sentence. What do you like? If I say what you like, where you go, when you get up, how you are, all are assertive sentence. So if we want to make WS questions, we must have to use do verb or auxiliary verb or be verb with WS word. What do you like? Where are you going? What do you want? Where did you go? Like that, must have to use do, did, does or am, is, are, was, were with WS word if you want to make a question with them. Do, did, does, subject V1. What have I done here? Written here. Do, did, does, did, subject plus V1. Do, does, did. These three words, if these three words are used in any sentence, the main verb would be always present form, and there will be no any s or es, ing, past form, past participle. All are not correct to use. Just present form of the verb. Present form of the verb. What do you like? Like, present form. What does your mother like? Present form. What did you like? Past indefinite. What did you like? So we see after them the main verb is always base form, present form, without any yes, without any ing, without any past form, without any past participle form. Always plain verb, base form. If plus present plus subject plus shall will. Suppose condition. If you come, I shall go. First condition. If you came, I would go. Second condition. If you had come, I would have gone. If you come, there is a time, possibility to go. If you come, I shall go. Then second condition. If you came, I would go. Time is over. If you came, I would go. There is the possibility or time to go to your friend's house. If you came, I would go. Third condition. If you had come, I would have gone. If you had come, I would have gone. If you had come, I would have gone. Like that, dear viewers and friends, try to hear the lecture again and again and be benefited. I want it from my heart. If you are benefited, my labors and my tribe would be succeeded. Now today, if liked these lectures one by one, all the lectures are coming. I want to make my channel larger. So, if liked, please subscribe. If liked, please subscribe. Now today, be Helen Hardy. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.